found them home in the bowl, while she herself felt she could barely breathe as the night air touched her face. Mom thought of Minley, bitter lip, and sighed. Her eyes closed as she willed her tears to stop forming. When she opened her eyes, Bob was standing next to her. I know, he said to her, and he placed his hand over hers. It's hard to wait, Ma said.
Hey,
Yes,
Baba
Ba
girl,
said.
can I show
We are
you
like the
something?
dragon waiting for a sign of his pearl. Oh, nothing, Ba said. It's just a story. The wind blew gently, like the calming touch of a healer. I wouldn't mind hearing that, Ma said. It might make the time
Hey,
pass
Baba
faster.
girl, can
Bob looked at her, surprised, and then nodded with no smile.
Niggas out here snitching. They
The
with the
story of a dragon's world. Once a dragon found a large white stone, rounded and softened by the ocean and wind. As he admired it, it began to shine in his hands. How pretty, he thought. I will make this into a pearl. So day after day, month after month, for many years, the dragon went around eating hard stone with cloth and smoothed it with his skin. He carried it in his clouds, rolled it in fresh raindrops, and bathed it into the Telescope River. He polished it with pale chrysanthemum petals. Finally, it was done, perfectly rounded, luminously smooth. It was flawless and beautiful. As the dragon looked at it, a tear of exhaustion and joy fell from his eye and landed on the pearl. As the teardrop soaked into the pearl, it began to shine with a dazzling radiance. The dragon smiled with delight, exhausted. He fell asleep in the light of the pearl. But the pearl continued to glow. The light was so lovely that it caught the attention of the Queen Mother of the Heavens. When the brightness came from the dragon's wondrous pearl, she sent two of her servants to steal it. The servants were able to accomplish this quite easily, as the dragon, weary from his many years of work, slept quite long and soundly. When the Queen Mother received the pearl, she was astonished by its loveliness. So no pearl, no jewel, no treasure in the heavens or on earth could compare. She quickly had a wall made in the deepest part of a kingdom that only one could only get to by going through 9 locked